Are you struggling to make your mark on social media? In the bustling world of startups, competition is fierce and standing out is a challenge. In the digital world, mastering social media isn't an option, it's essential for startup success. Imagine tapping into a market of billions. Social media is a bustling cityscape of potential customers, waiting for the right startup to catch their attention. The potential to grow your business on social media is immense. But how do you stand out and grab attention in such a crowded space? The answer lies in effective strategies. Start by knowing your audience, their needs and preferences. This insight will guide your content creation. Make sure your content is engaging, relevant, and adds value. Maintain a consistent brand voice and image across all platforms, as consistency builds trust. Stay current with trends and incorporate them into your content. And finally, use analytics to continuously refine your strategies. Understand what works, what doesn't, and adapt accordingly. Use these strategies and you'll be on your way to making your mark. Ready to transform your startup with social media? It's time to step up and conquer the digital landscape. We invite you to dive deeper into these strategies, explore the nuances, and unlock the potential of each one. Unlocking your potential and leveraging proven social media tactics can unveil a universe of possibilities. Are you ready to grasp them? Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest social media strategies. Your journey to social media mastery begins now. Embrace this digital realm, turn challenges into opportunities, and let your startup soar. Seize the opportunity to elevate your startup today. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and guidance. Follow our journey. Until next time, keep growing.